Hey everyone, it's Jack with Aquascape Construction. We are in our sandbox, and today I want to talk to you about our fire and water stacked slate sphere sitting on our Aqua Basin 45. We just wrapped up our academies, and this was one of the features. We got this done in roughly 45 minutes, and that was with us taking our time, showing the audience how to install this the proper way, explaining all the steps, and doing all the plant work and all that stuff around it. So very easy once you get the hole dug and the basin installed. This was the first year that we had the fire and water stacked slate sphere feature in the sandbox, and I gotta tell you, the audience absolutely loved it. It was super cool to turn the lights off and have a fire and water element inside the sandbox, and it was absolutely spectacular to see everyone cheering, kind of turn back and see everyone's reaction as soon as we turned the fire on. The great thing about these fire and water features is you can add them to literally anything. You can have them stand alone, you can have them on the edges of ponds, you can have them starting waterfalls for pondless waterfalls. We personally installed these on a few of our projects, just kind of in little coves, and nestled them back inside of small intimate areas of the pond or a pondless waterfall that we were building. We saw the value that it brought to the home and to the feature, so we decided to bring that option up to the homeowner, and they absolutely loved it, because who doesn't love fire and water in their backyard? Obviously in Chicagoland right now, it's a little chilly outside. Having this thing outside, I would definitely be outside every single night, sitting by this, kind of talking with friends or family, enjoying this water feature, because I could have the sights and sound of water, but also I can stay nice and warm. This thing's on low, and when this thing gets cranked up to high, it's really toasty, and I kind of have to sit back a little bit because it's that warm. This thing is 60,000 BTUs cranked up all the way. The good thing about that is that you have the control panel, which is off to my left-hand side on the other side of the feature, that you could adjust this down. It comes with a 10-foot cord for the igniter box and for the propane tank. Fortunately enough, with this, it does run off of natural gas or propane. So if you don't want to have a big propane tank sitting in the landscape, you can hook it up to your natural gas that's running into your house. In addition to this feature here, we also have 5 different fire and water features, which are the fire and water stacked slate urn, the fire and water spillway bowl, the fire and water spillway basin, and the faux stone fire pit. We also have brass torches that can be added to our natural Mongolian basalt columns. Homeowners absolutely love the element of fire in their backyard, so when you guys are bidding out jobs, incorporate these into it, because as soon as the homeowner is going to see that fire and water element, they're going to want that installed inside their feature. This is a great upsell for yourself, and it adds a huge value to the homeowner. Thanks, and see you next time.